Welcome to see the video of Baby Dog House. Stylish baby dog house give family dogs the kind of lodging they deserve. This compact house designed for the smaller animals in your home does not sacrifice comfort or style for space. For indoors or outdoors, steps along one side leads to a wonderful rooftop balcony, allowing your dog the freedom to enjoy the weather of the warmer months while still in the comfort of his own home. Made of kiln dried Asian hardwood that is treated with natural color stains to enhance appearance and durability. The natural insulating value of wood is 2 to 5 times higher than that of most other material used for dog houses. Keeps your dog warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The stable cellular structure of wood enables the houses to withstand humidity and extreme temperatures, and dogs also enjoy the natural scent of wood. Houses furniture feature removable rooftop and bottom bottom panels for easy maintenance.